So this question, how do you get fans? That's a big one because if you don't have a following on social media, you're probably like, how the hell do I even make an OnlyFans? Like, I'm not gonna have nobody on that shit. So I'm gonna tell you how. How much did I make so far? Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So I look crazy right now. I'm getting ready to go somewhere, so you know, I'm not coming on here looking my best, but y'all's probably used to that by now, to be honest with you. Also, don't mind my wig in the back. But I got y'all OnlyFans Q&A finally. I was supposed to film this video probably months ago and never did, so here we are. But if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danique, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Period. We turned up on this channel, so make sure you did that. So we'll just jump right into it. Most of these questions are from Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, honey, you should be. That's the best way to keep up with me, and I'm super active on Twitter, so go follow me. So we're just gonna hop right into it. So the first question, how much do I charge monthly? So I charge $15 monthly for my OnlyFans, but I do run regular promotions on my OnlyFans. Like if I'm posting a video on YouTube that I mention OnlyFans in, I run a promotion because obviously my OnlyFans is gonna get a lot of response after I post the video and mention it. So like for example, for this video, I'm gonna do a $3 promotion only for a couple of days after I post this video, but my OnlyFans will be $3. And that's just because for me, I like to look at other girls' OnlyFans to know what content they're posting. It gives me ideas for my OnlyFans. So, you know, ladies, y'all can subscribe too. But like I said, I charge $15 regularly, and sometimes I do run promotions where it's cheaper. So I had someone say to me that they're worried that their family will see their content. So it's not really a question, but my advice to this person, and if you're worried about your family seeing your OnlyFans content, I was just upfront with my family about it. I told them that this is what I'm gonna be doing. So if you see anything, honey, don't be surprised. You already know, okay? But that does not mean just let people take your content and post it from OnlyFans. I will post a screenshot of my bio on OnlyFans, and it clearly states that if you repost any of my content, legal actions will be taken. And honey, I mean that, okay? But yeah, I would say just be upfront with your family about that's what you're doing, you know? You're grown. Hopefully if you're OnlyFans, you're grown. So what kind of content do you post? So for me, So for me, I only post lingerie content on my timeline. I will do other content. I do custom content for tips, but I'll get into that a little bit later. But for me, my OnlyFans is mainly lingerie. How often do I post? So I post daily, but I don't think you necessarily have to. That's just what I prefer to do because I feel like people, like, they're spending your money on you, so let them get their money's worth. So I do post daily, but I feel like if you're just trying to keep up with people and you want people to get their money's worth, maybe just post like 3 to 4 times a week. But usually what I do is I'll take pictures and videos and some lingerie, and I'll just post that throughout the week. So I won't have to worry about even taking any more pictures like for a whole week or two, depending on how many pictures or videos I take. So that's my advice. I would think you should at least post 3 or 4 times a week, because if you're just posting once a week, is that really worth $15? You feel me? So I just like to make sure people get their money's worth. Tips for making the most money. So what I like to do is I post teasers on my timeline, and then I'll say tip $10 for the whole video. So when you think about it, like, a lot of your money isn't coming from your subscriptions. So like when I do like the $3 promotions, I'm not really making $3, and then OnlyFans takes like what, 20% of that. That's not shit to me. So you really have to make, you really make most of your money from tips. So you have to find creative ways to get tips, and that's what I do. I post teasers on my timeline and say you have to pay $10 for the rest of this video, and normally you get a lot of response from that because they're on your OnlyFans because they like you, okay? They like your content, they, you know, they're feeling you, so they're gonna pay, you know, to see the rest of the video because they like you, okay? So this question, how do you get fans? That's a big one because if you don't have a following on social media, you're probably like, how the hell do I even make an OnlyFans? Like, I'm not gonna have nobody on that shit. So I'm gonna tell you how. So if you do have a following, even if you don't, just promote it on all your social media accounts. Instagram, Snapchat, fucking Facebook, everything, Twitter, all your social media accounts. Even if you don't have a lot of followers, someone's gonna fucking subscribe. Put the link in your bio to your OnlyFans. Like, I do that on my Twitter. I don't do it on Instagram because my Twitter kind of, well, my Twitter focuses on my YouTube account and OnlyFans, but I have a lot of followers on Twitter, so I put my link to my OnlyFans on Twitter because I make more money on OnlyFans. So I'm gonna post that link on my Twitter because that's where more traffic is going to. But I don't have it on my Instagram account, but I have a second Instagram where I specifically post OnlyFans content and teasers, and I literally just followed a whole bunch of random ass people. So that's the #1 tip. Make a second Twitter, which I also have a second Twitter too. Make a second Instagram where you literally only promote OnlyFans, all OnlyFans content, and follow a whole bunch of guys or girls, whoever you want your audience to be, okay? And girl, they will come, okay? They will come and subscribe to your OnlyFans. And I just do that. Most people know I do OnlyFans, but I just personally do that because I don't want to flood my main account with OnlyFans content, because then people are like that's annoying. Okay, that's simple as that. That's fucking annoying. So I feel like you need a second account to do that, and just follow like what you want your fan base to be. Like I said, if you want guys to be your fan base, follow a bunch of guys or follow a bunch of girls, whatever. They're gonna follow you back and they're gonna subscribe to your OnlyFans. How much did I make so far? Okay, so if y'all been watching me for a long time, y'all know I do not like people counting my pockets. So I'm gonna say this without giving y'all the specific amount. If y'all been on my channel for a while, again, y'all know I had an OnlyFans account before that got deleted, and there's a video explaining what happened with that. But then I had to make a second OnlyFans, so this is my second OnlyFans, and it's going great. It's not gonna get deleted. It was just bullshit going on with the other one, okay? But my very first one, I made so much more money than I'm making now, but it's still good money. Like, regardless, it's great money, okay? So my very first OnlyFans account, let me put it like this. I have a very well-paying job, I think. You know, I graduated college, I got a job in my career field, and I'm making pretty decent money. But honey, I made more on OnlyFans in a week than I made at my job in 2 weeks. I'm gonna just say that, okay? Now with the second OnlyFans account, is not up there yet, but it is still really good money. Like I said, I make more money from OnlyFans than I do YouTube. It's a nice extra income to have. It's really good money if you know how to make money on there. What does your boyfriend think about your OnlyFans? Y'all know I have a boyfriend, and we've been together a long time, and he doesn't care. Yeah, he really doesn't care, guys. He's very supportive of it, and he actually encouraged me to make OnlyFans at one point, before I even made one, and I told him no, and ended up making him one anyway, obviously. But he does not care. And really, y'all, it is just lingerie. I do post other stuff, but for the most part it's lingerie. And I post stuff like that on my Instagram, you know, showing more of my body, but that's just because I'm really all about body positivity and, you know, girls loving themselves. And that's just another way I embrace myself. I struggle with confidence for a very, very long time. And I feel like it's just another outlet to make me feel beautiful and confident. And I have a lot of girls that are subscribed to my OnlyFans, and I've got messages from them and that tell me like I'm an inspiration to them. So I feel like I'm doing something right. And honestly, it's like my boyfriend does not give a fuck. I don't care about anyone else's opinion. It's not that real. It's really not. Don't worry about what anyone thinks about you having an OnlyFans account. I know everyone has their opinions on it, but do you make that money run up a check, period. Okay, so I may do part 2 if there are more questions. So if you do have a question, put them in the comments down below, or like I said, follow me on Twitter and inbox me, you know, Instagram too, whatever. If y'all have more questions, I will do a part 2. But I hope this helped. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you subscribe by now. I will be having more OnlyFans content, tips, and advice coming soon. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Turn on your post notifications, leave me a comment, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.